Oh, a really pretty one over here. It's a bee. Cool. Life. Oh, look at this. Look at that. A dragonfly?
Yep.
She's pretty. Wow. Today I'm walking by the water. I like walking by the water, and I'm here enjoying nature and all the people that you see, including the wind. If you listen very closely, they are singing, talking to each other, singing to each other. And you hear the wind. Isn't that cool? This is real life. I like to do this. Makes me feel good. Makes me think about what's important in life. We have water here. Water is life. Lots of flying people. They're flying around. It's a really nice, cool day here. In a lot of my videos, you hear me talking about how water is life. Mni Wichoni. Mni means water. Wichoni is life. And the thing is, it's all connected. And we are mostly water. Over 67% of our bodies is water. And this water inside of us is connected to that water. So what happens to that water affects us, and how we treat our bodies affects that water too. So a little point I want to make concerning AI. If you don't know yet, people, when they make AI videos, it's all saved on servers that are in these things called data centers, and they're all beside rivers, big rivers. And what it's doing is they take the water to cool their servers. That water heats up and they put it back out. So that's really warm water that's going out, and it's killing people. It's killing the fish. It's killing the plants. And people have houses near the water. When they turn their water on, it's just a little trip, just a little string, a sliver of water when it's full blast. Yeah, so they can't have water. It affects this. It's drying out the vegetation. It's killing everything. So think about it when you are online and you see something that's AI. Even when you watch it, you're kind of feeding into it, because those videos are saved on those servers. So that's why I try to avoid that as much as I can. But I just would like you to think about that. Yeah, that's all, because it's all connected. Everything is connected. It's so beautiful here. Mitakuyepi, yeah? All my relations here, all relatives, the plant nations and the things the flower nations and the things that fly, and the fish, the water, the sky, the clouds, the air, the wind. Listen to the wind. It's bringing us medicine. Yeah? It's bringing us messages, communication. It loves us. And we have that power to appreciate that and love ourselves, and then love that which is around us too. Reality begins within. Yeah. So these are some thoughts I would like to share with you today. I'm having a good time here. I really like walking beside the water because, as I said, over 67% of our bodies is water. So when we walk by the water, there's an attraction there, and I think that's what I'm feeling. I really feel good. And it's good when we try our best to take care of ourselves. Water's medicine too. When we put healthy things in our bodies, that's medicine, and that affects the water too. So it takes care of us. Yeah, it's medicine for us, and we can give thanks by how we treat ourselves. So I get rejuvenated when I walk by the water. It's so, I don't know the word, lovely. It's amazing. And I get new ideas. Yeah, see, the wind and the water is, it's doing something to my creativity. And it's inspiring me. And I like that. Even I got a flying relative zipping all over my head here. He's bringing me a message too. So, yeah, I'm sure there's fish in the water too. I just haven't seen them. I so love it to be by the water. So I just want to share that with you today. And think about it. And it's a way also to calm down when things get difficult to the point of overwhelming. We can come here and just look, yeah? Because when you look, it's sending you communication, it's sending you medicine. So look at it, take time to pause and stand there and look at this little tiny flowers, the design. Wow, it's very beautiful. And just think about, wow, isn't that nice? And it's by the water's feeding it, it's giving it medicine, food. And then we come by and we look at it, and it shares its medicine with us as we're observing that. And it makes me feel good. Then you can smell it, and it's wonderful. That's medicine too. I think the birds are just, it's a lot of medicine here, a lot of energy.